Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the TINECO Cordless Hardwood Floors Cleaner. Lightweight, wet and dry vacuum cleaners for multi-surface cleaning with smart floor care system. It is a Floor 1 S3 by TINECO. Featuring iLoop smart sensor technology, the Floor 1 S3 detects wet and dry masses on sealed hard floors and intelligently adjusts suction power and water flow for completely clean results. Floors dry quickly and streak-free. Combine chores and save time. The Floor 1 S3 vacuums A and D wash your sealed hard floors in one smart step for an optimal cleaning and less time. It is cordless, lightweight, and easy to use. It extends runtime up to 35 minutes with intelligently optimized suction and battery power. It has a smart self-cleaning system. This keeps your hands clean, the system fresh, and your home odor-free. It's an all-in-one LED display built in, and there is a connectivity with the TINECO app. And its helpful voice assistant monitors cleaning performance for the ultimate hard floor cleaning experience. Floor 1, TINECO Smart Floor Washer detects, vacuums, and washes a new level of cleaning. Wow, our floor will love the attention, of course. Smart detects, vacuums, and washes. Featuring TINECO's iLoop smart sensor technology, the Floor 1 S3 detects the wet and the dry masses on the sealed hard floors and auto adjust the suction and the water flow accordingly. It powerfully vacuums and washes touch sticky masses in one easy smart step. It leaves our floors dry quickly and streak-free. We have on the top side of the device is an all-in-one LED display. Monitor, cleaning performance, battery levels, blockage alert, and much more with the all-in-one LED display. This is helpful interface prompts and maintenance reminders provide an intelligent cleaning experience. And it has a built-in battery. That means it is cordless and portable. The Floor 1 S3 lightweight. It's really lightweight. Cordless body. It allows us to move freely around our areas. Easily maneuver up and down stairs and into every corner for fast, complete cleaning, even in the tight space. All-time fresh water cleaning. Oh yeah. Wash with continuous fresh water for completely clean results. Dual tank technology keeps clean water and formula separated from dry, debris, and dirty water. One touch, multi-stage self-cleaning. This I like so much. Add a touch of the bottom, or you can control it by your app. The Floor 1 S3 automatically flush its brush roll and insider tubes, keeping our hands clean, our pillions fresh, and our home free of odor. And it has an ultra power motor with quiet operation. Clean quietly with less disturbance to family and pets. The Floor 1 S3's unique digital motors are powerful and ultra quiet, featuring process air channels and housed in materials that reduce noise. You have a helpful app integration and a voice assistant. Connect to the TINECO app for a complete and intelligent cleaning experience, featuring real-time performance monitoring, maintenance reminder, tech support, troubleshooting, and more. Their useful voice assistant provides us more operation supports while it's all you cleaning. Compact, convenient, multifunction docking station. Oh, it's not a docking station, it's a docking station. Stay organized, tidy, and fully charged. The Floor 1 compact and convenient docking station stores and charges this device while it completely self-cleans, leaving no mess or residue on floors. You will get all what you need. You will get the main body, a 2-brush roller, 2 HEPA filters, and 3-in-1 cleaning tool, a charging base, and a hard floor cleaning solution. Woo! This is really smart. This is up to date. It's modern. It is really awesome. Wow! This is a really smart vacuum cleaner for your floor. It's not compatible with carpet, of course, because it is a wet cleaning system. Maybe you can use it on carpet, of course. Let me think about this. Maybe yes, but its main performance is on hard floors. Okay, this is the awesome device, TINECO Cordless Hardwood Floors Cleaner. It's really lightweight and it has a wet drying vacuum cleaners for multi-surface cleaning with a smart floor care system. And this is the Floor 1 R3 by TINECO. Yeah!